So it's Wednesday weeding day. I'm going over to my plot. I'm committed to doing it once a week, so that's why I'm going on Wednesdays. It actually works out to be about 2 hours I do on Wednesdays. I usually go around 9:30 when my husband goes to work, and then we come home together at 11:30 for lunch. I have an extra plot. So you guys usually see my two plots side by side. They got the nice rows, they're all planted, but there's another plot and it's completely overgrown with weeds. So I've been doing like a little bit there, a little bit in my plot every week. And my theory is the soil there is really not great. And I already spent a lot of money on amending our regular plots this year. And you have to choose, you gotta pick and choose each year to do a little bit at a time. Or at least that's what we do, because I'm not about spending hundreds of dollars to garden. So my theory, beans and peas help rebuild the soil. And I wanted to order some seeds from West Coast Seeds, but I only need one thing. So I didn't want to put in a whole order for that. So I got the Great Value pinto beans, and I'm gonna give them a try. I've seen people doing this. I'm not gonna chaos garden them because I want them in case, so I don't know if they're bush or vine. And in case they're vine, I need to put them in a row so that I can potentially put like some sort of trellis. So I'm gonna plant them in rows and pray that they're bush beans. But in the event that they're actually pole beans, which need things to grow on, if I plant them in a row and not chaos sow them, then I can put some sort of structure in there with some saplings. But I'm going to try to do one row today to see if these have a decent germination rate. And if I don't see any activity by next Wednesday, I'll go buy some actual garden beans. But beans are beans, Okay, weeding day. Here's what the plot's looking like so far. Let's see. Not too bad. Some lettuces starting to grow. These are potatoes. I really should hill them up. A couple weeds. A little bit of weeds. Not too bad though, guys. Not too bad. Some stuff here. What's that? Mullein, whatever. This row did not do very well at all. What did we grow here? Gladiator parsnips. They might just still be under the ground. And red-bearded scallions. Negative. Linda, negative. Oh, look. Those are parsnips. One little baby, 2 seedling leaves, and 1 true leaf. So I definitely have to weed this row. Parsnips do not like to be crowded, but literally not too bad. Got a few radishes. Look at how nice they are. Oh, got a split one. Some pumpkins, corn, beans. So in my personal opinion, oh, this is pretty bad, but in my personal opinion, not too bad. The weeds could always be way worse. Ooh, look how pretty, guys. This is my comfrey. Okay. Let's get to weeding. Okay, and across the walkway is my new plot. And yep, I've actually done so much work in here already. Look, a strawberry. Yum. So these, oh look, another strawberry. Delicious. Whoever planted this row or this garden before me in the past clearly had rows going this way. So the sun is there and goes across the sky that way. So rows this way do make sense, to be honest. The only thing is you can't get access off the path. And because I'm going to grow mostly all the same stuff in here, like a large crop of one thing, I'm going to switch the rows. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe I'll have to make a walkway and do the rows this way. But see, that technically wastes space, right? I didn't even grow these. They're in the new plot. 2 whole strawberries. It's just after 11:30, but this is what I got done. So this is my new plot with beans. I started putting in some mulch. I weeded these rows, these 2 rows and their walkways. Added a new mulch in. This is where I'm going tomorrow.